Are you struggling with sales on a few of your ASINs within your catalog, or are also maybe looking into ways of increasing the average order value within your Amazon account? Well, in this video, I'll cover a few of my top ways to do so through the listing content itself. My name is Tomasz Borucki, and I'm a senior brand manager here at My Amazon Guy. So starting off, I'm going to kind of go over the basics that we love to harp on here on the MAG YouTube channel. And the first one is going to be the brand story module. Really, the main benefit of this module, apart from additional space for alt text and SEO, is or are these clickable product links. So right here, I just clicked on one of these soaps, takes me directly to the listing. And essentially what you want to do in this module is try your best to incorporate every single product that you're selling within the brand. And you can also cross-pollinate this with other brands in the same seller central account to also gain visibility on those. But if you say you have one product that is struggling in your account, sales have fallen off, something like that, or maybe a new product launch, I'd recommend adding that ASIN to the very first product ASIN module right here, just so that when customers are scrolling, that's going to be one of the first products they see. And then to add to this strategy, the module right over, I'd recommend using one of these large pieces of creative with a nice graphic and some image text that calls out one of the main features or benefits that differentiates your product from the competition, or just in general what problem it's solving, if someone would choose to purchase that and why they would need it. And then scrolling down the page, and this one is a very common one we discuss, but the A+ content product grid. So same scenario, if you have that struggling ASIN, try adding it throughout multiple A+ contents that exist on your top sellers within your catalog into either the first or second module. And then taking it a step further, if you have premium A+ content enabled and say X ASIN has a lot of reviews, but it's just fallen off, the premium A+ content now enables sellers to display the review count and rating in the product grid. So switching over to another strategy that we could use to cross-sell products, promote other products within your catalog, and then also try to increase average order value is what I like to call multi-unit discounts. So here's an example of this. It's a buy two, say 5% offer. It's very attention grabbing. It looks almost like a coupon. And the thing is, one, it can help increase the average order value if the products in your catalog kind of make sense to purchase multiple of. Say in this example, like there's different colors of these utensils available, and they come in, for the most part, sets of 3. So maybe people want to order multiple of the same set just because it's not a large amount of pieces, or also maybe just gift the second one or what have you. But the next good element about this one right here, say if this catches someone's attention and they click on the shop items page, it redirects you to its very own landing page. And then the products that you're going to see here are whatever ASINs you make part of the product selection in the promo setup, which I'll go over momentarily. So you could do a couple things to organize this page right here or what have you, but I like to include basically all products within the catalog so shoppers can browse. Or if something doesn't necessarily work with this 5% off based on the margins of an ASIN, you don't need to include it. Or you take this more granular and set this up for your bestseller listings, and then group it with a new product launch. So it's less of an option, or there are less options on this page to choose from, and to really encourage customers to purchase that slower selling ASIN or brand new ASIN. And how you would set this up, so I'll start off from the hamburger menu. You would go to advertising, promotions, and then it takes you to this page right here. And this is a simple percentage off promotion. So you'd have to hit or just keep the buyer purchases at least one of these items, set this to 2. And again, this is completely customizable. You could do the buyer needs to purchase 3, 4, 5, whatever you want to test out. And then next step is choosing which ASINs are going to be included. So you could do entire catalog. If you do ASIN list, this is going to redirect you to create the product selection. Very simple. You just put in the ASINs you want, wait a couple minutes, and then when you return back to this promotion page, it's going to give you the option to choose like whatever you named that product selection as for the multi-unit discount right here. So just for example purposes, I'll do entire catalog, and then buyer gets percentage off 5. You do need to set a budget for this, but this is something I'd recommend running like as an evergreen promotion. So you could do a higher budget, say like $10,000, just so that it stays active. And then right here, nothing to fill out. Start date, just keep it the same as is. There's like about a 6-hour time window where you need to wait to be able to kind of like start the promotion. So keep it as is, and then right here you could modify the duration however you'd like. Sometimes I will say on this page specifically, it's not showing, but it's going to give more details. And one of those things that will be needed to fill in is a display precedence. If you see that in your Seller Central when setting up this promotion, set that to 1. And that just makes sure that it does actually show up at the top of the listing, like you see right here underneath the price. Hope this video helps, and if you found value in it, maybe you'd appreciate working with my Amazon guy, and you can also request to work with me directly as your brand manager. And to do so, you can contact us right here at Get a Proposal on myamazonguy.com.